This is Jason with Drawn Cattle Company. I'm going to show you inventory we currently have in stock. We have two of these Swisher 60-inch pull-behind mowers. You can pull them with a golf cart, a four-wheeler, ATV, 7-foot Caroni finish mower, several 5-foot finish mowers. Have a real nice John Deere MX6 bush hog, barely used. Plenty of J-Bar bush hogs in stock. We got a new load of J-Bar farm equipment this week. Bush hogs, land levelers, plenty of tractors if you're needing a tractor. This is a cool piece. It's a mini skid steer on tracks. It's a Ditch Witch. Has a Kubota diesel engine in it, and it's a Ditch Witch model SK650. Runs really good, only has 2,000 hours on it. This Dutz Allis tractor, it's sold. Holding it for the customer. Got a real good running Allis-Chalmers D10. Used tiller in good shape for $850. PTO chipper. Call us at 910-624-8734 or call us at 910-624-6791. Come see us anytime, 8745 Main Street, Godwin, North Carolina. Zip code is 28344. Here's a real nice Frontier disc. Got a J-Bar disc right beside it. Has some pull behind aerators. Hard to find. One section disc hair. More tractors for sale. Plenty of J-Bar bush hogs in stock. These are 6-footers. They're 900 plus tax. Plenty of J-Bar levelers in stock. 5, 6-foot and 7-foot. We have loads and loads of used equipment. Pretty much everything. More J-Bar bush hogs. We carry the standard duties, and we also carry the premier duties. And again, lots and lots of used equipment. Come see us at 8745 Main Street, Godwin, North Carolina, 28344. Call us at 910-624-6791 or 910-624-8734.